Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good morning. I'm Rowan Asibuche.
How old are you?
I'm 47 years old.
Where do you live?
In Cavite, Dasmariñas, Cavite.
Okay. What is your height and your weight?
My weight is 42
Kilograms.
kilograms. And my height is 4.9.
4'9".
Uh-uh.
Okay. So what is your educational attainment?
I just finished my high school graduate.
High school graduate.
Yes.
Are you married or single?
I'm already separated.
But do you have children?
Yeah, I have one boy and one girl.
How old?
They're already 26 and 23.
Okay. So how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 1 sisters.
Okay. Are you ex-abroad?
Yes.
In what country?
I worked before in Hong Kong for 18 years and 2 years in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
Okay. In your 2 years in Jeddah, what is your how many family members did you serve?
Only one family, my sir and madam, and have 2 children.
Okay. How old are the children?
They are 7 and 10 years old.
So, are you the only one helper inside their house?
Yes, I'm only one.
What are your duties and responsibilities?
All around in the house, cooking, washing, and together going to market with my employer.
Okay, so do you also cook?
Yes.
What kind of food?
Arabic food.
Arabic food. Okay, so how about in Hong Kong? 18 years, how many employers?
In Hong Kong, about 18 years, I have 3 employers. The first employer is 4 years. There are 7 in the family. And my second employer is only one old woman. He is already 80 years old. And I work here for 12 years.
Okay, so on your first employer in Hong Kong, how many family members?
Only one.
First
Yeah,
employer.
first employer.
So, how many years did you work?
4 years.
4 years. Is it one member only?
Yes, one member.
Okay, is it the old woman or not?
Have Popo and Yeye, and then Sir, Mom, and
So, how many family members in all inside their house?
they're only one.
Family members?
Yeah.
Members, the couple,
Yeah, the Popo.
the popo,
Popo, Yeye.
yeye.
Yeah.
How about children?
3 children.
3 children. So, 7 members inside the
7.
house. So, one family
One
with
family.
7 members.
Yes.
So, what are your duties and responsibilities?
Also all around, going to market every day, cook, clean the house,
Okay.
wash the dishes.
So, you
clothes.
finish
Yes,
two contracts.
Yeah, I finished my 2 contracts.
Okay, so on your second employer, you work for 12 years.
12
So
years.
it's a total of 6 contracts.
Yes.
Okay, so you take care of the old woman.
All woman.
Okay, what are the things that you do?
Mostly my important job for mama is helping her for the diabetic injection, the insulin. That's the number 1 my duties. Going also to market, cook the food, and cleaning the house.
Okay, how about on your last employer?
My last employer, I have a dog.
So you take care of dog.
Yeah,
What kind
I
of
have a
dog?
dog.
Is it big or a small dog only?
It's only a medium. Not-
Medium-sized dog.
Yes.
Okay, so
That's
how many
small.
family members did you serve?
There are 4.
4. The couple and their 2
The
children.
couple.
How old are the children?
No children.
No children.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
only
Opo.
one helper. Are you the only one helper inside
Yes,
their
I'm
house?
only the one.
So, what are your duties?
Also the same, always going to market every day, washing the clothes, cleaning the house,
Okay, so also cooking.
also cooking.
Okay, what kind of food can you cook?
Chinese food.
Like?
Always they like the choy sam for the Hong Kong family. Many kinds of food. Every winter we like to eat the hot pot.
Okay.
That's a good food in the Hong Kong.
Okay, so you can say that you're very good in cooking Chinese dishes.
I'm gonna say that I'm a good cooking in Hong Kong dishes, but I can say I'm a good in the Hong Kong language.
Language. Okay,
Yes.
can you show us the Hong Kong language? Or
Hello,
Cantonese?
Josan.
Oh, you greet your greet in Cantonese.
Hello, Lehoma.
What do you mean by that?
Lehoma is how are you?
How are you? In case your employer cannot speak English, you can communicate with them using their language.
Yes.
Okay, so what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
Washing machine, iron.
How about aircon, vacuum?
Yeah, aircon.
So you can operate all the electric appliances
Yeah,
inside the
yes.
house. So how about taking care of newly born babies? Can you do that?
Yes, I have already experienced that one in my first employer in Taipo for 4 years.
So what are the things that you do when you're taking care of newly born?
I help the baby to take a bath, change the clothes, always going to the playground.
Okay, so also young children.
Yes, also young children.
Okay, can you show us some children's song? Sample of children's song.
London Bridge,
Okay.
the ABCD song.
Can you show us an example? You sing a song for us.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Okay, thank you. And so in case your employer have elderly inside the house, you can you also know how to take care of them.
Yes, I will assure them that even the old a woman or the man, also I can take care for the.
Okay, so you can speak Cantonese, right?
Yes.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to go back to work in Hong Kong again because in the Philippines I feel boring. That's the number one.
Okay, so do you have any message to your future employer?
Hello to my being a future employer. I will assure you that I'm already good in the house. You can trust me going to market and everywhere, the place in Hong Kong. And I can help you in the time that you're working your job in the office, and you can trust me. Even I'm only the one who can take care of your mother or children in your house. And in my own, your family, I will accept them also as my family. If you love your children, I love you also your children as my own children. Even your house, I will make them clean, and it's already my home that every day I'll be with you. That you can trust me.
Okay, can you promise to finish the contract?
I will promise to finish my 2 years contract, and hopefully that you can
Extend like that.
I can extend my contract to you even in my old
Even you're already
even
old.
I'm already old.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.